Okay, now we're going to do construction number 11. The good news is number 11 is way easier than number 10. So we're going to be constructing a regular triangle inscribed in a circle. So this means a regular triangle will be equilateral and equiangular, and it will be inside of the circle. So it's kind of the reverse of the last one. So our first step is to draw the circle. I'm going to give ourselves a point as our center point, call it M. Put my compass down, and we can create a circle. Now you can create a larger circle or smaller circle, whatever you work, but remember you're going to be making a triangle inside of the circle, so I wouldn't go too small. Now, I created this circle when I used my compass tool. I happen to use the interior hole. Do not move at all your compass once you finish making your circle. And then you're going to come along on the edge of your circle and you're going to make a point anywhere you like. I'm going to make one right here. And I'm going to name this A. So again, I did not change the measurements on my construction tool, my compass. I'm going to put that right down on point A. And I'm going to come up here and make a swipe on my circle. I'm then going to move right along where that swipe intersected with the circle. I'm now going to move my compass tool right to that spot. Again, not moving this measurement of the compass tool. Again, and I'm working my way right around the circle. And one more. Okay, and you can see I've made my way all the way back. And indeed, if I did that last one, it will get me right back to point A. Okay, now in order to create a triangle, I need to just connect alternating points. So I'm going to connect A right here with B up here, every other one, and C over here. Now, if I truly have created an equiangular equilateral, also known as a regular triangle, that means all three sides would have to be the same length. So I'm going to measure my sides of my triangle using I'm going to use centimeters again. So I have 7.4 centimeters on this side. On this side, again, measuring from B to C, I have 7.4 centimeters. Don't forget to label. And last but not least, and again, 7.4 centimeters. So I'm going to put a single tick mark on each side because they are all indeed the same size. Okay, next I'm going to measure the angles using my protractor. Now an equiangular equilateral triangle should have angles that are all 60 degrees. This one is exactly 60. I'm going to put a nice single arc and 60 degrees. Coming over to the other side. This is exactly 60 degrees as well. Another single arc. Last but not least, my third angle is indeed 60 degrees. So I'm going to put a single arc and 60 degrees. Now I just need to write my statements. In this case, we have segment AB is congruent to segment BC, which is congruent to segment AC. We also have our three angles. Angle A being congruent to angle B, being congruent to angle C. Now we can name those with our single letters because the only angle at this location is indeed A. And the same goes for the others. Good job.